Hey, Alex here with TerraX. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Visordok on the Ford Transit. So when you receive your Visordok, you will receive 4 screws, 2 longer number 10 screws and 2 shorter number 8 screws. The tools you will need to install your Visordok are a T20 screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 7mm socket or a 9/32 socket, a putty knife or a butter knife, something sharp with a sharper point. So the first thing you want to do is loosen your visor, and then you want to get in here and remove this clip. While you're there, you want to remove this plastic cap. Just like that. What we recommend is removing it right on this front spot, because this is what we are going to cover up. They are a little bit difficult to remove. We've done it now so many times, so we know how to do it. You will not get it done as fast. Next is you want to take your T20 screwdriver and take this visor clip out. And then you want to take your 7mm or 9/32 socket and take this first screw out. Oops. And repeat this on the second side. So now, after you removed all your plastic caps, let's install the Visordok. The hole closest to the clip will need the shorter, smaller screw. So what I do is I insert the screw, take my Phillips head screwdriver, hold the screw, insert the visor, and start putting the screw in. Now repeat this on the second side. Shorter screws goes to the clip side. Okay. Now the longer, bigger screws, and your screws might look different. Goes in the front. You're all done.